Hi there, my name's Charlie. I'm the workshop supervisor here at ABT. I'm going to be running you through the issue we've recognised with our hydraulic pump unit here and what the fix is. So before we begin, the only tools required for the repair are going to be a set of Deutsch pin crimpers here and potentially a set of pliers and snips if you do need to trim or remove any wires, and a small pick to remove the contents of the Deutsch plug locking mechanism itself. Now, just in the back of the plug here, you'll see with the wires, a simple way we've found so far in a couple of instances are purely just a quick pull, quick tug of these wires out the back, and quite easily and quickly we find that some of these wires fall away from the plug itself quite quickly. Now, so far what we've recognised is the terminals here that have been used are a wing style. That is the terminal there you can see has got a slightly insufficient crimp, and that is it there before it is closed. What we're going to be sending as a replacement is a solid cylinder type, which will crimp down completely on the wire itself. And I'm going to demonstrate that now for you. So the only thing you'll have to be mindful of here is if there is missing strands of the core itself, we would recommend that you trim it back, clean it up, and you'll be all right to go again. Now, all that we require is about sort of 4 or 5 mil of wire exposed, and we're going to place the terminal over the top of the wire here, and just make sure nothing is exposed on the outside of that terminal. With these are preset for the use here. You can get yourself some universal ones that will all be the same and all work just fine. Now I'm going to just put this terminal inside the crimper here, close this down, and just ensure that's a nice tight crimp, and straight away we'll see with a good tug test that's not coming out. Now I've gone ahead and removed the contents of the inside of the Deutsch plug. This is the locking mechanism to ensure the pins themselves aren't able to retract. So that one is out the way. What you will need to remove that is a simple pick just to get in there underneath it, remove that. And simply, once this has been recrimped, obviously making sure you're back into the right terminal, we're going to push this back through the grommet in the back there, ensuring that we're in the right side there, and straight through into the other side, and you will feel it click and lock. And quite simply, once you've gone through those, double checked all your wires are in the correct numbered pins in the right inserts, you will then have to go and reinstall the locking mechanism there to ensure that those pins don't remove. And then once that is all complete, you are good to go. So that's it for our hydraulic power unit, and a quick and easy fix there on the Deutsch plug.